Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to change your profile in Lumosity application. Here I have the iOS Lumosity applications, but all these steps can apply for the web version or even the Android version. So all we have to do is to change the account. So first, open your Lumosity account or Lumosity application and follow these simple steps. After you click on the Lumosity application, you will find yourself in the main menu here. But we want to go to our account settings or account panel. To do so, all we have is to scroll these menus here in the bottom and click on the 3 points here that is more. After that, we have to search for the account setting button that is located in the bottom. After you are clicking on the account setting, it will redirect us to the account panel. Here you will find all the informations concerning your account. Also, you can see the privacy policy in the payments. Also, if you had some account settings that you can do, if you have the premium access, you can have some additional account settings. But all we have to do to change the account is to log out and enter your new account or the new profile that you want to change or to log in, and it will log you in your account. Also, you can log in with accounts that are associated or synchronized with the Facebook or Google or your Apple. It can be also your Google account. So this is how uh, you change your profile in Lumosity application. Thank you for watching and goodbye.